The bird, whose name is Sasha, by a flute, way up high. Sonia, the duck, by an oboe, like this. And here is Ivan, the cat, represented by a clarinet in a very low register. Grandpapa is an old bassoon. The shooting of the hunter's guns by the kettle drums. And there is